Okay guys, I just cutting to this new recording as quite a lot of problems have occurred during this Shrieker quest. Namely, after you loot everything from said birdie, it goes into an infinite loading screen for some reason which I don't know fully why. But apparently a fix is to loot everything apart from the trophy, then meditate for a full day. Let's do that. Yeah, meditate for a full day and then loot it, and then it shouldn't go into a loading screen at all, apparently. So, let's give it a go. Yeah, and didn't go into a loading screen. Fucking sweet.